Hello and welcome to Simplified Statistics. I'm your host Amrita Panjwani, and in this video, since we are continuing the series of probability, it is important to understand what sort of counting techniques are used to find the number of ways for a particular event. So let's start with an example. Suppose you need to create a 4-digit ATM code out of the digits from 0 to 9. If you observe carefully, from 0 to 9, you have 10 options available to select from. Now, since we need to select 4 digits, let us create 4 blanks. For the first blank, I have 10 options available. I can select any number from 0 to 9. Now, moving to the second blank, you need to give it a thought process that are you allowed to create a 4-digit ATM code by repeating the numbers? For example, are you allowed to have a number something similar to 5542? Or are you allowed to have a number similar to 8888? So yes, we are free to create any type of ATM code where the numbers can be repeated. Hence, for the second blank, I again have 10 options available. Similarly, for the third and fourth blank also, I have 10 options available. Hence, the number of ways in which 4-digit ATM code can be created would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10,000 ways. So, this is a scenario where you were allowed to repeat the number being selected previously. Now, let us move ahead to the second example. Suppose there are 5 books and we need to arrange them. So since I have 5 books to arrange, I'll create 5 blanks. Now for the first blank, I have 5 options available because there are 5 books. Once the first book has been selected, how many books are left? 4. So for the next option, I only have 4 books to select from. So as we move ahead, the number of options go on decreasing till we reach the last blank for which we have only 1 book left. Hence, the number of ways in which 5 books can be arranged would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals to 120. So there are 120 ways of arranging 5 books. This particular method where the same option is not repeated again leads to the calculation in a manner where you start from a particular number and go on multiplying in reverse order all the natural numbers till 1. This multiplication or this method of calculation is called factorial. We call it 5 factorial. So let us quickly see what are factorials. When I talk about n factorial, it is denoted as n exclamation, called as n factorial. It would be solved as n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times till the time you reach 1. For example, 5 factorial would be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, 10 factorial would be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into till the time you reach 1. Now, the most important thing that we always should remember would be that 1 factorial is always 1. That's quite common. But 0 factorial is also equal to 1. So, I hope you've understood what factorials are and when we use repeated options and when we do not need to use repeated options. This understanding helps us to calculate the number of ways very easily. Stay tuned for more such videos on simplified statistics. Till then, thank you.